Observe this. These words are very dangerous, friends. Very dangerous. So definitely some words are going to be connected with you people because we heard these words multiple times from our childhood onwards. Okay, like first one, more work means more money. More work means more money. More money. Okay, like we are. So how many times we heard about this one, sir? More work means more money. Okay, like so it's a trap. Remember this one. More work means more money. This is one problem. Second one, boss, I should do everything myself. I should not have any dependencies. I can do any activity on my own. I'm the ground level person, such a simplest person I am. Like second thing. The third thing, time is unlimited, man. Unlimited. Unlimited time is there. Why I have to worry about that? Next up, if I work hard, I will get freedom. If I work hard, I will get freedom. There are several people are going to ask, Are, why you are day and night, why you are working, man? If I can work tomorrow, so I'm going to become rich, then I will have full freedom. Like what happened? Yesterday, one government employee example I told is keep on working, keep on working, keep on working. When you are going to take rest, when you are going to get, so take some pleasantness. So no, after retirement, I will enjoy my life. Like after retirement, heart attack got, after a few days, this person gone. Okay. So make sure this type of mindset is there. More work means more money. I require to do everything. I should do everything myself. There is no problem with the time. Time is unlimited. If I work hard, I will get freedom. This type of mindset is wrong mindset. Don't think about this.